Fuck, there's so many noises around my apartment. What folks, Tejbz here, and to the face. So today I have a video where I'm gonna talk about struggling in the beginning of your Counter-Strike game, which I'm pretty sure everyone has that feeling, and it's even come to the point where some of the people that I play a lot when we're doing on my main account, they started calling me the diesel engine, and obviously, like, a diesel engine is hard to fire up, and when you actually get going, it starts going really well. It's like an old diesel engine. New diesel engine cars are great. Like I had one now, I miss it so much. Damn, I want a car. But diesel engine, that's what people are calling me now, because almost always, unless I get a couple of kills in the pistol round, I'm gonna be like lacking behind, which is not so weird when you think about it, because you don't get the pistol kills in the pistol round. You can't afford like a proper gun. You get an ump or something, or like an MP7, and you can get wrecked, especially now with the new hitboxes and stuff. It's really easy to get absolutely destroyed by a pistol, even if you have an MP7, and if they had head Kevlar and stuff, you're just gonna get annihilated from now on. But I'm always struggling. I have some clips where it's just like I'm going really bad, and then towards the end it starts going a lot better. And I don't really have like an explanation or a tip for this. It's more like, hey guys, even if you're pretty good at the game, you're gonna have like rough starting times, and the only like thing that I can kind of say is just not get it into your head, not look at the scoreboard every like 5 seconds, click that tab button. Just try to like overcome it, and when you actually start like ranking up the kills, like just feel really proud. But if it keeps on going bad, just try to focus on team play, like doing good call-outs, buying smoke grenades or flashbangs or regular nades, and just try to do your best. And I want to end this as well with a little fun ending of a stream highlight where, first of all, as you can see, when I actually drop like a really quick ace on an echo round, I just get my confidence back, and everything starts going really well. And also that game also ended really funny, because I was solo queuing and people started calling me like, don't shoot, don't use your AK, because I had 1337 kills. So enjoyed the last little clips, and I'll see you guys real soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out. Where's the ace, baby? That echo. Can't ruin it, guys. Can't ruin it. Yes! Yes! That Dr. the crew will never die. M249 Nebula Crusader. Nebula Crusader. That's a badass name, though. But I wonder if anyone is actually gonna use this very much. I mean, like an M249. When are you ever gonna use this? It looks like a pride colored gun, in my opinion, to be honest. Never really used M249, so I'm using it.